Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Vagaro. Vagaro is a software platform that helps businesses manage their appointments, clients, and finances. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, but it's especially helpful for small businesses. I've been using Vagaro for a few years now, and I've found it to be an invaluable tool. It's helped me to streamline my operations, increase my revenue, and improve my customer service. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the key features of Vagaro and how it can help you grow your business. I'll also share some tips on how to get started with Vagaro. So, if you're interested in learning more about Vagaro, or if you're looking for a way to improve your business, then stay tuned. What is Vagaro? Vagaro is a cloud-based software platform that helps businesses manage their appointments, clients, and finances. It's a comprehensive solution that can be used by businesses of all sizes. Key features of Vagaro. Appointment booking. Vagaro's appointment booking feature allows you to create and manage your appointments online. You can set your availability, create custom appointment types, and send automated appointment confirmations to your clients. Client management. Vagaro's client management feature allows you to store and manage your client information. You can track your clients' appointments, payments, and notes. Financial management. Vagaro's financial management feature allows you to track your income and expenses. You can create invoices, track your payments, and generate reports. Marketing and promotion. Vagaro's marketing and promotion feature allows you to create and send marketing campaigns to your clients. You can also use Vagaro to create coupons and discounts. Reporting. Vagaro's reporting feature allows you to generate reports on your business performance. You can track your revenue, appointments, and client satisfaction. How Vagaro can help you grow your business. Vagaro can help you grow your business in a number of ways. Here are a few examples. Streamline your operations. Vagaro can help you automate your appointment booking and client management processes. This will free up your time so you can focus on other aspects of your business. Increase your revenue. Vagaro can help you increase your revenue by allowing you to book more appointments and collect more payments. Improve your customer service. Vagaro can help you improve your customer service by providing your clients with a convenient way to book appointments and manage their information. Save money. Vagaro is a cost-effective solution that can help you save money on marketing and advertising expenses. How to get started with Vagaro. Getting started with Vagaro is easy. Simply sign up for a free trial and start using the platform immediately. Tips for using Vagaro. Here are a few tips for using Vagaro. Customize your Vagaro account. Vagaro is highly customizable, so you can tailor it to your specific needs. Use Vagaro's mobile app. Vagaro has a mobile app that allows you to manage your appointments on the go. Integrate Vagaro with other software. Vagaro integrates with a number of other software platforms, such as QuickBooks and MailChimp. Take advantage of Vagaro's training and support. Vagaro offers a variety of training and support resources to help you get started and use the platform effectively. Vagaro is a powerful and comprehensive software platform that can help you grow your business. If you're looking for a way to streamline your operations, increase your revenue, and improve your customer service, then I highly recommend giving Vagaro a try. So that's all I have for today. I hope this video has given you a good overview of Vagaro and how it can help you grow your business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on business and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching.